I got this throttle off a Ferris Z2 standard, and it doesn't hold. Let's see, it goes like this. It doesn't hold full throttle anymore as you mow. It works its way back to the idle, and you don't even notice that you're mowing along and the thing's going like this. And pretty soon you can see the play in it. So this happens all the time. They're riveted. So there's a fix for these where you just drill through all the way, drill the rivet out, drill all the way through, and you put a bolt in. You gotta find a spacer so you can put pressure on this little friction plate here, and then it'll work again. So let's drill that out. It drills out pretty easy. We have to drill that out by itself. Cool that off. Alright, so I'm just going to grind that little bit off of there real quick. Alright, so basically all we got to do, that goes in. Got these funny washers, springs I guess they would be. I used a nylon lock washer here. You can set whatever tension you want. Tighten it up. Tighten it up as you go. think that's pretty good. I'm gonna leave it right there. I don't know. I might go just a hair tighter. It should be fairly hard to move. Might go even a little higher than that yet. There. I think that's good. Alright, pretty easy.